Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing trying bunch of glitches. So why don't we get on with the video? Yo. Wait. Before we start today's video, I just want to say if you could please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, because it really helps our channel. So now let's start. So for this video, for this glitch, we'll need a new account. And also, in that new account, we'll be trying all the glitches on it. Let's try it. For this glitch, apparently you have to keep pressing random girl. Just random girl. And after that, you change the outfit really fast and go on create account. Just make a username really fast, go on create account. And then you have these rare eyes. So yeah, I want it. Let's try. Okay, over here. Right. Wait. You have to keep pressing it. Okay, you have to, it's not working. Wait. They said you have to press it a few times. Wait, I tried this before and it actually did work. Like this. God. It's not working. Before it did work, actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep trying and I'm gonna tell you when I got it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna tell you when I got it. Technically, it did not work. Well, I'm gonna show you the account that it did work on. Well, since it didn't work, let's continue on with the video. Plus now I look ugly. Okay, so, yep. Where's my character? Okay. So right now, okay, goodbye, Pixie Star. For the next one, it's really simple. Lots of people use this. It's for Pixie Star to go away when you just start your account. So I'm gonna try it. 3, 2, 1. Is it working? Wait. It worked. Pixie Star's gone. Now for this next glitch, for this next glitch is to get the VIP eyes or lips on a new account. But first, I need to get the money to do it. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to tell you when I'm done with getting the money. So right now, I got the money to do it. For this one, I'll have to go on Beauty Clinic and then do it with the lips because I'm on VIP. But also for this, when you're offline, that means when you get off of MSP of your account and you go back on, you get the bad type of lips. Like you get the one that you're supposed to buy for this one. So for this first thing, I'm gonna change the color of the lips. Okay, I'm gonna change it. The color that you're gonna do for this lips, for the you're gonna understand why. But if you want it to, like, for example, if you want this color to be on that, then you have to do it on the thing that you're gonna glitch on, like this. Okay, I'm really, really scared. Like, you don't understand how much I'm scared. This is how I want my face to be. So, you have to click really fast. So you have to click really fast and then wait, I'm gonna try it again. This takes a few times to do, but last time I did it. Oh, it's not working. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Why when I click buy, does it want to buy? Did it work? Nope. Wait, did it? OMG, you guys, it worked! I'm shook. You guys, look at this. You guys could try this on any account if you're non-VIP. And I'm also going to be giving away this account and my other account, I wears. I'm going to show you the account that I did it on. Where's? Or is it called Rare's Eyes? I forgot what it's called. Oh my. Yep, it's this account. You could see over here that over here you can't see it, but you could see over here, and when you're on the account you have the VIP lips over here. So right now I'm just gonna get onto the account and show you. And also I tried to glitch on it. That's why you have these rare eyes right over here. So for this, I'm gonna log in to the account, and yeah, and I'm gonna tell you when I log into the account. So, and also the rules for those two accounts, you have to like all my videos. I only have a few, so it doesn't really matter. And you also have to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and add me on my main account, Billy1232. So, yeah. Right now I'm logging into the account, and also I'm going to try the Rare Eyes one again. And also I'm going to try, the Rare Eyes one again. You can see right over here. Oopsie, I don't have it anymore. But also, the girl that did it, she said a trick that you could do. Really quick, I'm just going to do that. A trick that you could do is do a look with those VIP lips. No, but I want to be your friend. Do a look with those VIP lips, and yeah, and then you could wear the look, and then you'll have the VIP lips. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. See, and I'm gonna press wear. Oops. Nope, I don't have it, but what if I go on makeup? Maybe we could have it. I don't know, I'm going to try. If we do have it on makeup, I'll be very, very much happy. So, I'm going to makeup. Nope. So then, now we're going to try it with the eyes. So for that, I'm going to go shopping and then try with the eyes. Beauty Clinic. And also for this account, when you guys want it, it's going to be on level 6. Like I'm going to make it to level 6. And also I'm going to get more coins on it, for it to be more fun to play with. I can't just give you an account just like this. Like, no. So now I'm going to go on eyes. So the eyes that you'll be needing is this one, the one that we bought. So yeah, I'm going to tell you when I get it, and I'm going to pause it, and I still don't have VIP, so this is not a clickbait. So technically, it worked. You have the VIP eyes. I'm very happy. And yep, you guys could try this on your non-VIP account to have lips and stuff like that. So now let's get on with the next glitch. So for this one, it's technically every single art book you will have 1 coin each. So yeah, so I'm gonna like this art book, for example, and then another one. You don't get it yet, but like, I don't know when you do get it, but just keep collecting art bucks at the, and then you quick press the VIP button, and then apparently you get star coins of how much art books you liked. So I'm just gonna try a few, and then I'm gonna quick press VIP. OMG, you guys, at first I have 35 coins, I have 38. So yeah, but also you guys could try this. And that's it for the video. So yeah, bye!